stick my blade blunt, it's just like, I don't know, burning its way through this piece of chestnut. But you see, this chestnut is not dry. This is green timber, and as a consequence, when you start cutting green timber and you get through a few boards and what have you realise that, hang on, what's going on here? So, I must have blunted my blade. But no, the blade's not blunt. What's happened, right? The blade has taken on the resin. And if you look at the blade, you can see there's loads of bits of resin built up on the sides of the blade, just behind the teeth, and it builds up and effectively widens the tooth, but not with a sharp edge, with a kind of like gooey edge, alright? In this case, like a resin, alright? So that's what's actually happening. And now it's actually just burning on either side of the cut and slowing down the blade. So what you need to do is take your blade out and give it a clean, alright? You can use things like drain stop. Basically acid, alright? It's quite an easy way of doing it, or you can use that easy green stuff. You can't get that here. It's some kind of clean you get in the United States. But what's that called? Pure green, easy green, something green. Leave in the comments down below. I don't know. Anyway, some green shit. So as you see, you just need to clean your blade. Now don't attack it with a wire brush or anything stupid like that. All you want to do is just, I use oven cleaner because it comes with an aerosol. I use the like a 10-litre paint tub. Use the lid, and the lid's got a nice little fringe to it, and it's got like a little barrier all the way around the outside edge. He's not spreading it everywhere. So I'll stick my blade on the lid of one of those paint tubs, plastic paint tubs, and then I'll spray it with the oven cleaner. Work it a little bit with a plastic brush, stiff plastic brush, like a pan brush or something, you know. Don't tell the misters if you put it back. Anyway, then flip it over and do the other side. Leave it for a couple minutes and just wash it on the tap, dry it off, put it back in the saw, and you're ready to go again. So bear that in mind. Your blade isn't always blunt if it's not cutting. It could be just the fact that your blade's full of resin, and especially if you're cutting green lumber like this. You know, if you go to a sawmill, they'll be using different equipment, like for instance bandsaws. So they travel a lot slower. So they don't actually, they don't build up the heat and don't heat up the resins. So, or large toothed blades. Lots of big gullets. You've got to have a big gullets. Not gut, no, gullet, all right? Anyway, if your blade's sticking, that might be the reason why. Yeah, toodaloo.